Greetings, Internet. My name is Chris, and I'm back in Medieval Engineers. So I'm back in a world that should be quite familiar to you if you've seen my other videos. What is happening here? And I have something new to show you. So if you remember the... Hold on. What the fuck? No. If you remember the crossbow catapult I did, then this should be quite interesting. I basically took the core design of this thing right here, where you use multiple torsion springs, and I just put them on the side. You can see as comparison. Here's a small version, here's a big version with two of these. So you can see that it has to be quite big in order for it to actually have these. You can see the front itself is massive. But anyway, let's fire it. Let's make this a brief video. So over here we have a tower. It should be aligned with the tower, I think. We've already hit it once with the siege engine I did in a previous video. This one right here. So yeah, let's fire this. Let's first test out its max range. One thing I will say that makes this siege engine better than the one right here is the fact that this one never usually breaks. I haven't seen it break yet, and it has to do with the way the machine shakes basically when you fire it. You'd see all the inertia from these four torsion springs will go forward, whereas all the inertia here will go downwards. And when it goes downwards, it tends to sort of stretch over its limit and just break all the wood. Anyway, so this is as far as it will go. You can see our torsion springs are bent back quite a fair bit. I could probably, if I move this bar here one further back, I could probably give it a little bit more strength. So I think we should experiment with that in just a second. You can see the way I actually just use these, they're not actually connected, but I just put a bar here and then put this up top, and then basically when this one is pulled back, it will push this top one with it basically. Alright, let's fire it. Oh wow. That went quite a lot further. So to hit this tower, we probably have to put it at something like 80% of the way down. So let's see. Pull this down here. There. Yeah. If we're aiming for, we probably aim a little bit to the right. So we just, oh, you can't see this, hold on. So what I'm using here on my bar is the manipulation tool under the character tools. This allows me to pull stuff. And since pushing from side to side here doesn't actually work, you can hold, like you can see my character goes into the pose here. You can hold onto this and then push it by just stepping into it. That will allow you to turn it. As you can see now, we're aiming a little bit over to the right, which should be good. We'll put that there. A good thing with this big head here is the fact that the ball will be a lot more centered sometimes. Other times they'll just do this, where they roll back and forth. Alright, and let's fire it. Yeah, that was a good shot. Alright, so if we go into K, structural view, you can see the bottom bit here is starting to become a little bit more red. And as we take out more of the bottom, the pressure from up top will really start to weigh it down, which means that it will start to crumble under its own weight, which is how you want to take down a tower. Like, you don't want to aim for the top, you want to aim for the bottom. which is what we're doing here. Because if we're aiming for the top, we'll just be able to take down the roof, and that won't actually do that much. I think put it there. Alright. Don't know if you saw that, but that was the animation glitch I was talking about in the previous video. And fire it. So our goal now is basically just to hit the same spot multiple times. Yeah, you can see it's starting to get even more red. That's good. We're gonna aim it a little bit over to the left now. I'll just show you what I was talking about before. Put on your manipulation tool, right click, and then walk into it like that. Actually, we'll do it once more. There we go. Basically, want to take out the staircase next to the breach over to the left. Now this tower, compared to its previous iterations, not tower, siege engine, that's what I meant to say. The siege engine, compared to its previous iterations, hits a lot harder because obviously there's a lot more force behind the shot, which also means that it will take out a tower like this in a lot fewer shots. Alright, let's try that. Oh, there we go. Nice. So that was 3 shots, I think. Of course, we already had a breach to begin with. But that's pretty nice. Basically, that's the new design I've come up with. It's kind of funny. I had this. I made this in a different world, but the world was glitched where every time I would put down a torsion spring, these here, it would crash the game. So I'm wondering if it'll still do that. It was really strange. Okay, nothing. That's good. Anyway, that's pretty much all I just wanted to show you. So, rather short video this time. Yay, I can actually do short videos. What a joy. Anyway, thanks for watching.